Hello viewers, welcome to Metallurgy with AJR, small concepts in an easy and simple approach. Here I am going to discuss the various rolling defects which occur in the rolling process. Edge cracking and center split. This problem is brought about by inhomogeneous deformation. As the workpiece passes through the rolls, the elements in the central region spreads much less than the outer elements near the edge. The edges of the sheet is strained in tension, a condition which leads to edge cracking. Under severe conditions, the strain distribution can result in a center split of the sheet. How to prevent edge cracking and center split? The peripheral velocity of the rolls should be constant. The coefficient of friction should be constant at all points on the arc of contact. Zipper cracks. These are caused due to the bending of rolls under the rolling pressure similar to wavy edges. Zipper cracks will be seen at the center due to the bending deformation of the rolls. How to prevent zipper cracks? The plane vertical section should be plane. The arc of contact of the rollers should be circular, creating a homogeneous deformation. Alligatoring. Alligatoring type of fracture is accentuated if there is any curling of the sheet due to one roll being higher or lower than the center line along the roll gap. How to prevent alligatoring? There should be no elastic deformation of the rollers. No curling of the sheet should occur during rolling. The center line between the rollers and the plate center should coincide. These are the two prerequisite criterion. Internal defects. In the first microstructure, you can see the inclusions getting rolled up. That is, the inclusions are elongated during rolling process and become longitudinal stringes. And in the second case, the pear-like banding is seen. Fissures are due to incomplete welding of pipes and blowholes. These defects may result in delamination. How to prevent internal defect? The inclusion rating of the billet should be checked before rolling. Secondly, in order to get a homogeneous microstructure, the heat treatment process should be selected such that we are getting a homogeneous microstructure. This is the prerequisite criterion before the rolling operation. Surface defects. Here you can see in the first macro structure, a surface crack is there. The second one is sleeves. Third one is seams. Pickling should be done in order to remove oxide scales prior to rolling to avoid surface defects. What are these sleeves? Sleeves are segments of steel that have been torn from the steel and rolled onto the surface of the metal. This defect is most common in low strength steel, which can easily tear due to incorrect or high speed rolling process. Seams or elongated surface discontinuities that occur in bars during rolling or drawing operations. They result due to underfilled areas that are closed shut during rolling process. How to prevent surface defects? The surface billets must be conditioned by grinding, chipping and burning with an oxygen lance to remove surface defects. Scratches due to defective rolls must be guarded.
Friends, my idea is to give small concepts of metallurgy in a continuous process. Kindly like my videos and subscribe. You will get notification from me every week. Thank you.